Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Suter. Obviously, if you're in this class, you're like me and we're almost done. Woohoo! Uh, cannot say enough about how excited I am to not have to make these introduction videos anymore. Um, I understand why they're important, but I feel like it's like the same video over and over and over again. Um, I live in Manchester, Connecticut. I am currently an elementary physical education teacher. I'm certified to teach phys ed K through 12. Um, and this will be my second master's. I also have a master's in recreation administration. And the reason I wanted to go into library media specialist is it's just something completely different, and I've always loved reading. Um, Also, in the state of Connecticut, it's considered a teaching shortage. So I got reimbursed. I can get reimbursed 85% of tuition. And I also get a pay raise when I finish the program. So it's kind of a win-win situation. Um, Not much else to tell you in Connecticut right now at my school because we're elementary school. We actually are in person full time. The school day is actually a little shorter this year, so I have students. Uh, Basically, I'm in work from 8:30 to 2:30. Um, Students leave at like 2:05, which is a little earlier than usual. Usually, we're in school until like 4 o'clock. So I am having quite a bit of trouble because of COVID, trying to figure out my hours and all that stuff. So trying not to stress about it and take things as they go. Look forward to working with all of you this semester. Bye.